Now to a most extraordinary and rare genetic disorder, which makes sufferers constantly hungry, no matter how much they eat. Yeah, how much they eat. Their desire to eat is so strong. Their carers have to go to incredible lengths to keep them away from this report.
Fridges have to be locked.
Henry Saraz is 150 and weighs 16 kilos. He is literally Henry Saraz.
I'm fat.
He can weigh 10 kilos. Food time all the time. Food time all the time. Food time all the time. Fridges have to be locked. Food time all the time. Fridges have to be locked. Food time all the time. Fridges have to be locked. Food time all the time. Fridges have to be locked. You know, he's always asking, when's lunch, 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 when's lunch.